Hello everyone. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you. I picked up a few items. These are treat bags and you get 10 bags in the package. And this is what it looks like. But I bought it so I can make ephemera pieces. I think it'll look wonderful. So look at that. Isn't that a pretty color on the side? Look at that. Nice, right? So I got that one. And then, here we go. Look, I've been going to my Dollar Trees looking for these. These are the Christmas cards. So I found the Charlie Brown Christmas, the Lampoon Christmas Vacation. I found Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Those are the 3 Christmas ones I found. And then just yesterday I went to another store and I found some more. Now, I should have went ahead and picked up the Santa one because I couldn't remember which Christmas ones I had found. I picked up another Rudolph, so I now have 2 Rudolphs, but that's okay. It will get used. But yeah, these are so cute. Ever since I seen it on your hauls, I wanted some, and they're hard to find. They're, selling out as they come to the floor. But look at this. This is the Rudolph ones. Aren't they gorgeous? It's like, look at that. Every single card has an image on there, which is what I like. Nice. That's the Rudolph. Let's look at the Lampoon Vacation. I want to find another one of this Christmas Vacation ones. Look, 'cause it's a classic, right? I love this movie. I watch it several times every Christmas season. Look at that. I love this movie. Oh, here's that silly cat. Oh. Okay, where's that squirrel? I know the squirrel's got to be in here somewhere. Oh, there's the turkey. I don't know where the squirrel is, but I'll look through some more. But how cute. I love those. And then here's the Charlie Brown one. Okay, get those out. And this is what those look like. Look. They're in the shape of a snowball, right? Nice. I also found this one. It's the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown. Pull those out. Look at these. Oh, these are nice. I wasn't too sure about them, but these are nice. Look at that. Oh, we have Halloween in there too. Oh, that's great. I want to find another one. Nice. I also found these. This is Beetlejuice, Looney Tunes, Beagle Scouts, and Scooby-Doo. Oh, even these are hard to find. Let's take a look at the Beetlejuice. Look at this. I like the original version of Beetlejuice. Nice. So have you guys seen the new version? I haven't, but I want to take a look and see how it looks. But the original one is still my favorite. I think it always will be. So here we go. Let's take a look at Looney Tunes. Oh, look at this. I like this. I definitely want another package of the Looney Tunes. I want to do a project with Looney Tunes, so I've been slowly well, I just recently started collecting pieces for Looney Tunes. Just for myself, I want to have it, you know, available and add it to in my home library. And then this is Beagle Scouts. Look at that. Peanuts Beagle Scout. Aw. Nice, right? I like them. They're so cute. So what I need to do is take a picture of it and keep it in my phone file. That way I know what I have. And then this one is the Scooby-Doo. Oh, look, Scooby Snacks. Oh, this is fantastic. Oh, look at that. Nice. I love Scooby-Doo. Cute. Love the Scooby-Doo. So I'm happy I found these. I will keep a watch out and then see if I can find some more. I also found this down the party aisle. They're champagne bubbles. I didn't even know they had this. They are 0.94 fluid ounce. Oh, look at that. Isn't that neat? So you can actually open the bottle. You take the cap off. I think it unscrews. Let me see. I don't know. You have to fight with it, I guess. Oh, goodness. It's supposed to unscrew, though. It's hard to do. Oh, look. And it collapsed to get back in there. But what I want to do is save this for Halloween. And I'm going to add it to my Halloween supply box. I've been checking to see if there's a clear bottle available. And then I can always change the label and put a Halloween label on there. Nice. Or save it for New Year's. And then put Happy New Year on there for your Happy New Year decorations. Or you can take the bubbles out and put actual drinks in there. I would put it on a table and then put a label saying, oh, look, this is actually for real. You can go ahead and drink some. And then I also picked up some batteries. So this is the LR44, and I need this for my, what do you call those light guns? You know, like, do I have it close by? I don't know. You know, the one you check your lights with when your lights go out? So I need to put some new batteries in there. I try my best not to store my light checkers. I don't know what it's called. Anyways, I like, you know, when I store it away, I take the batteries out. I just don't want it resting. So I needed some new ones. I have these available now. Another item I had seen is stickers and labels. Now, I have seen one of the haulers pick these up, and I wanted them ever since. But, I mean, they come in a variety of colors, but I only picked up the orange and the black. And I picked up 2 each. And let me show you if I can pull this tape off. See, look, it already comes with the sticky side. Isn't that awesome? So you just peel that backing off, and then you can adhere this to your project. But look at that. I like that. So yeah, I did pick up 2, and you get 5 feet on each spool, so which is good, a decent amount. But you know, I want to make sure I have my supply of it, so I picked up 2. But this is what I wanted. I wanted specifically these colors. And then I also picked up these ribbons, and they look new to me, is why I picked it up. So these are celebration ribbons. I don't know if that's like a, so like these ribbons, I don't know if it's supposed to be over in the party section, but I found these in with the garden ribbons. So you get 9 feet of it. It is 7/8 an inch wide. But look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Let me grab a piece of black paper here so you can see better. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I like it. I only picked up the one because they only had one, and it's really pretty. So I want to see if I can find another one of those. I also picked up this one. Now this is the crocheted lace. Here we go. This one is 1.1 inch centimeter wide. It's 3.28 feet, which is 39 inches. And then this is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? Oh, gorgeous. This one is also, no, this one's a little wider. This is 1.18 inches wide. And it comes in 3.28 feet. And then this is also the crocheted lace. Look at that. Gorgeous, right? I think this is something I do not have, so I may want to go get another one of those. It's such a short length, though. These are crafter square, and they're laser cut ephemera pieces. These were all on sale for 50 cents each. So I picked up this one. This is the clock, and I tried to pick up 2 each. So here's the other one. So I got 2 packages of those. I got 2 packages of the leaves. Here's the other one. And then these are flowers. Okay, back. Okay, here we go. We got 2 of these, and then 2 of these. They look very similar. Okay, there we go. I got 2 of those, and then 2 of these. But look at that. You see how thin they are? You know, they have so much in stock at every store I go to, so I was glad that I could find some that were on sale. They also had the vinyl, the Cricut vinyls. But if you're looking for those, the stores are starting to put those on sale. So this is what I have available to share with you from my recent Dollar Tree haul. Well, you know, these trading cards have become must-have item. So, you know, I'm continuing to look for these. Aren't they cute? And then if you can find these, and if you like making ephemeras, this is a good piece to pick up. I like it. I will keep a watch out for some more new items that I must add to my shopping list. You know, things that I can use for my crafting projects. I hope I was able to show you a few items that you may want to pick up the next time you go to Dollar Tree. And thank you for stopping by, and I will see you next time.